Guys, wonder niyo po, ito po yung ito lang po yun, no? Ito lang po yun, guys. Ito lang po yun. Ito lang po yun. Ito, air horn po yun, guys. Air horn. Ito po yun. Air horn lang po. Ito yun. Po yun. Air horn. So, ito po yung horn niya, guys. Oh, ito po. Ito lang po yun. Air horn lang po to yun, guys. Air horn lang to. Dito po yung lumbahan. Dito po yung gagawas yung air. Super lakas dito, guys. Gusto niyo bumalik dito? Ato go buy in the Shopee. It's a little bit expensive. Yeah. So check it out. There's two of them actually. So it can be